Today we shall start exercise 5.3 of the chapter number 5, which is the understanding elementary shapes. And today we have a question from the exercise 5.3, that is the question number 1. And in this question there are some types of quadrilaterals given, for which we have to identify their some properties by filling this table with the word yes and no. So that let us start what are its properties are in the table given. So first, in the first column, we can see that there are few types of quadrilaterals are given, and in the second table, in the second column, there is we have to recognize that they are opposite sides, that either they are equal or parallel. In the second, we have to see all sides are equal or not. In the next, opposite angle are equal or not. And in the last, about the diagonal, that either the diagonal is parallel or equal. So let us see what is the property whatever given, so that the first quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay, the first quadrilateral is parallelogram, and our first aim to find that the opposite sides are parallel or equal. So in order to identify it, we need the figure of the parallelogram. So let us draw the parallelogram. So here I draw in this figure. We can see that ABCD be a parallelogram. AC and BD are its diagonal. The side AD and BC are of equal length. AB and BC are also equal, and AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to CD. These are given in the parallelogram. Now let us see what does the first column says. Here opposite side are parallel or equal. As we can see in the figure, the opposite side are parallel. Therefore, we write the opposite side of the parallelogram are parallel. Therefore, we write yes. And also we can see that opposite side are equal. If any one side become unequal, then it cannot be remain a parallelogram, or we can say that then there is no pair of parallel lines will be obtained. Therefore, they are also equal. Therefore, they are also equal. And now let us see in the next. All sides are equal. In the parallelogram, are all sides equal? Then we can see that no, there are only opposite sides are equal. There are only opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal. Then our answer will be no in the column all sides equal. And next is the opposite angles are equal. Then as we know that if the opposite side of parallelogram is equal, then opposite angle are also equal. So that the opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now let us see about the diagonal. As you can see in this figure, then we have to identify that these two diagonals are perpendicular or not. So in the figure, we can see that the angle which is formed here, which is not of 90 degree, therefore the diagonals are not perpendicular. Therefore, the diagonals are not perpendicular, but they are equal in their length, and they are also not equal. And they are also not equal. As you can see in the figure, the diagonal AC is less than the diagonal BD. Therefore, they are not equal. Now, let us see the next. Now, let us see the next, that is the rectangle. So, let me draw first the figure of a rectangle. This is the rectangle ABCD. This is the rectangle, and the side AD is equal to BC and the side AB is equal to CD, and AC and BD are its diagonal. Okay. Now we have to give the answer of the given question. Opposite sides are parallel. Then we can see that opposite sides are parallel. Then we write here, yes, they are parallel. And opposite sides are equal. Then here we can see that opposite sides are also equal. Therefore we write yes, opposite sides are also equal. All sides are equal, then we can see that no, all sides are not equal. Then our answer will be no. Opposite angle are equal, so we can see that opposite angle are always equal in the rectangle, and they are of 90 degree. Therefore it will be yes. No. Now let us see what about the diagonal. In the figure, we can see that diagonals are not perpendicular to each other. The diagonals are not perpendicular to each other. Therefore, our answer will be no. But they are equal in their length. Therefore, we write yes, they are equal. Okay, and in this way we have completed our second figure, and now let us see about the next, that is the square. So let us draw the figure. So this is the square, and we have to give the answer corresponding to this figure. Okay students, now let us see about the square. The figure A, B, C, D are a square. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, and AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, and also its all angle are equal, diagonal are also equal, and the diagonal are also perpendicular because the angle which is formed here of 90 degree. So let us see about the diagonal. What is the diagonal? The opposite side are parallel. So here we can see that opposite sides are parallel. So we write here yes, opposite sides are parallel. And also opposite sides are equal. Therefore we write yes, opposite sides are equal. Are the all sides are equal in the square? Yes. All sides of the square are also equal. And opposite angle are also equal. The diagonal are perpendicular to each other because here we can see that at the intersection point the angle is formed of 90 degree. Therefore they are perpendicular to each other and they are equal to each other also. So that this is the solution for the square. And now let us see about this rhombus. So let us draw the figure of the rhombus. This is the rhombus and let us see about its opposite side. Here we can see that their opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, if the opposite sides are parallel, we write yes, they are parallel. And they are also equal. So we also write they are equal because we know that the rhombus is a parallelogram with equal side. All sides are also equal. Their all sides are also equal and opposite angle are also equal because if the all sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angle are also equal. And diagonal are also perpendicular to each other and they are also equal. This is the result that they are also equal. So this is the result for the rhombus. Now let us see about the trapezium. So okay, students, now let us see about the trapezium. So let me draw the figure of trapezium and then I will explain what about the trapezium. This is the trapezium A, B, C, D. This is the trapezium and in the trapezium we can see that the opposite sides are parallel. There is only one opposite side are parallel and the other opposite side are not parallel. Therefore, we write that all opposite side are not parallel. Therefore, we write no, they are not parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Then here we can see that opposite side is also not equal. There is no opposite side are equal. Therefore, here we write no. And all sides are equal. If there is no opposite side are equal, then how can we say that they are all sides are equal? So our answer will be no. No side are equal. Opposite sides are opposite angle are equal. If the opposite sides are not equal, then their opposite angle are also not equal. Okay, now let us see about its diagonal. This is the diagonal, and in the diagonal we can see that the diagonal of the trapezium are also not perpendicular to each other, as well as the diagonal are not equal. So our answer will be no in both cases. So here we get for the trapezium all of these are not possible. Therefore we write no in all conditions. Now let us see the last figure, that is the kite. This is the kite ABCD, in which we can see that opposite sides are not equal and they are also not parallel, and all sides are also unequal. Therefore the angle which is formed at the vertex are also not equal. And if we talk about the diagonal, then we can see that the diagonal are perpendicular to each other, but they are not equal. So the first is opposite sides are parallel. Then here we can see that opposite sides are not parallel. Therefore our answer will be no. Opposite sides are not parallel. And opposite sides are equal. Then it is obvious that opposite sides are also not equal. There are only adjacent sides are equal. Opposite sides are not equal, but adjacent sides are equal. All sides are equal, therefore no, there is only a adjacent side equal. Then how can we say that the all sides are equal? Therefore all sides are not equal. Opposite angle are equal. Are opposite angle equal? Then we can see that if their opposite sides are unequal, if their opposite sides are unequal, then their opposite angle are also unequal. Therefore, our answer will be no. The opposite angles are not equal. Now let us see what about the diagonal. Diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Then in the figure we can see that the diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, our answer will be yes. Okay. And the diagonals are equal, then we can see that diagonals are not equal. There our answer will be no. The diagonal are not equal. So this is the solution of the given question, in which we have to fill yes or no by just seeing the figure. So in order to complete this figure, we need to know about all the figure and also its property. Without its figure and its property, we cannot solve such type question. So I hope it is clear to all students. And if you have any doubt in the definition or in its property, then you can ask me from the comment section. Just commenting your doubt. I will explain your doubt in my next video, or by just giving the reply in the comment. So thank you very much for watching this video. We shall meet again in the next video with new question. So thank you very much for watching this video.